Hey babe, anong ginagawa mo? Ah, ah, nanonood ka ulit. Wait, don't tell me it's him again, isn't it? I knew it. Babe naman, ilang beses mo na ba siyang nakita today? Actually, huwag mo nang sagutin. I'm scared of the answer. Kasi every time I look at your phone, andyan siya. Find edits, interviews, photos, compilation videos, mga funny moments, mga cute moments, lahat ng mga handsome moments niya. Babe, pati yata paghinga niya may compilation video ka eh. And somehow, napapanood mo lahat. Okay, I have questions. Very, very important questions. Do you do you even remember our anniversary? Good. How about my favorite food? Okay. My coffee order. Wow. Okay. Impressive, ah. Now let me guess. You also know his birthday, no? For sure, alam mo zodiac sign niya. Favorite color niya, pati blood type niya, and even his childhood nickname, and feeling ko nga probably pati pangalan ng aso niya eh. Alam mo, tama? Nice. It makes me feel like I'm competing with a whole Wikipedia page. You know what, babe? You know what's funny? Kasi whenever I post a selfie, nagre-react ka after probably 30 minutes. Minsan, isang oras. Minsan nga, 5 hours bago mo ma-view. Bago ka makapag-react. But when he uploads something, wow, instant. Parang naka-emergency alert ka eh. Hindi pong parang breaking news, celebrity posted. Tapos, matik online ka agad. May one time nga nun, I sent a selfie. Tapos nag-reply ka lang, cute. Period. That's it. Cute. Yun na yun. Pero, pero sa mga pictures niya, yung mga comments mo, oh my gosh, how is he even real? Look at that smile. Wow, he gets more handsome every year. Ayos ah. Babe, do you even know how dramatic that sounds from my perspective? Do you do you even understand where I'm coming from, huh? Nalala mo nung nanonood tayo ng movie and the moment na lumabas siya sa screen, grabe bigla kang napaupo ng tuwid. Your eyes widened, your smile got bigger. Inayos mo pa nga yung buhok mo eh. For what? Para saan, ha? He can't even see you. And I was literally beside you that time. And yet, And yet somehow I became invisible. Well, siguro I'm doing this wrong. Maybe I should become a celebrity too. Ganun ba dapat kong gawin para mabigyan mo ko ng klase ng atensyon na binibigay mo sa kanya? Maybe I should start posting mysterious black and white photos. Siguro, I should stare into the distance dramatically na kapag nagpo-pose, nakatingin lang sa malayo para medyo dramatic, mysterious. Maybe I should caption everything with just grateful. Kasi ganun ginagawa niya, di ba? At sa lahat ng photos niya, parang nababaliw ka na. Pero hindi mo man lang maparamdam sa akin yung ganyang klaseng admiration tsaka attention. Well, maybe, maybe kapag ginawa ko yun, maybe it will work. What? No? You're saying na kapag ginawa ko yun, it won't work? What do you mean? Pag sa kanya, it works. Pag sa akin, hindi. Nice. So you still choose him. Wow. That hurts, huh? Okay. Okay. Be honest, baby. What if he suddenly messaged you? What will you do? Wow. Grabing smile mo, ah. That smile actually worries me. No, 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 no. Answer carefully. Because you know what? Your boyfriend is currently taking emotional damage. Do you understand that, ha? Naintindihan mo bang nagsiselos ako sa kanya? Nagigets mo ba yun, ha? Kasi parang hindi eh. And you know what's funny? I don't actually hate him. Hindi ko nga siya kilala eh. And and to be honest, I understand why people admire celebrities because they're talented, they're successful, they're super attractive. Gets ko yun. Pero minsan napapaisip na lang ako kung yung excitement mo ba na nararamdaman sa kanya ganon din ba yung klase ng excitement na nararamdaman mo pag ako yung nakikita mo kahit kalahati man lang? Kahit kalahati man lang nung excitement na yun? Ha? Kasi babe, with the way you respond, you make me feel like I'm not as important as him. Pinaparamdam mo sa akin na kaya mo lang ako naging boyfriend kasi ako lang yung available. Tsaka kasi hindi ka naman niya niligawan. Pero I don't know, this could be impossible but it feels like kapag nagpapansin siya sa'yo, I know corny to pero I feel like iiwan mo ako. C- can I can I tell you something? Huh? A little secret. Sometimes actually, sometimes I compare myself not just with celebrities, but with other people too. I compare careers, achievements, looks, success, everything. And and I know that it's not healthy. Pero it just happens. And actually sometimes I even wonder, am I enough? Am I doing okay? Am I still making you happy? And and those thoughts show up every now and then. Especially kapag nakikita kitang kinikilig sa mga pictures ng celebrity crush mo na yan. But you know what? It actually hurts. Pero I just I just remind myself of something. Now when you're having a bad day, you call me. When you're stressed, you you talk to me. When something exciting happens, I'm one of the first people that you tell. and actually when that happens, suddenly those comparisons don't matter as much anymore because I just comfort myself by believing that real relationships are not built through edited photos, but through everyday moments. Yung kasama kita, saan ka umuwi, ako yung nakakausap mo araw-araw, kahit na, kahit na masakit pa rin. Ang weird no kasi nagsiselos ako sa isang sobrang sikat na celebrity na hindi naman dapat. OA ba ako? Masyado ba ako naging sensitive? Dapat ba hindi ko na lang pinansin tong nararamdaman ko na 'to? I don't know. Pero mahal kita eh. That's why I'm trying to communicate these things with you. Na I I honestly don't feel comfortable anymore. I just I just need you to assure me that what you have with him is just purely hypothetical admiration and fantasy. Cause what's between us, that's the real thing. 'Di ba? Okay. Hypothetically, babe, let's say nagpakita sa'yo ngayon mismo yung celebrity crush mo na yan and invited you on a private jet. Tapos sabi, dadalhin ka sa mga luxury hotels, red carpet events, mga world tours, tapos unlimited VIP access. Pupunta ka ba? What? Hindi ka sasama? Really? Okay. That's either true love or a terrible financial decision making. Just kidding. Um yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Seriously. Thank you for reassuring me and for choosing me. Na kahit nagiging madrama ako ngayon, kahit na selos ako sa isang artista na dapat di ko naman pinagseselosan eh. You still, you still assure me na you don't take anything for real with him. And I appreciate that because you know how to make me feel important. Okay. So, here's the deal. You can keep your celebrity crush. That's okay. I accept it. You can watch the interviews, the movies, all the edits, the compilations, everything. Just just please remember something. Know when you're sad, I'm here. When you're happy, I'm also here. And and when life gets difficult, I will I will always be here. Okay? And at the end of the day, I get to be your boyfriend and not him. Okay? Can you promise me that? Thank you, babe. That's that's something that no celebrity can take away from me. Halika nga dito. Mm. Come here closer, please. Yeah, that's better. Mm. 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 I love you, babe. Even if your taste in celebrities is a little suspicious. Just kidding. Good night. And and please don't spend another hour watching fan edits after this, okay? Ang kulit mo. I love you. Good night, my love. Mm.